I love working for Norwegian. It's a fun company. Norwegian wins a lot of awards. Customer satisfaction, best low-cost airliner in Europe, best low-cost long-haul airliner in the world. In my team, we are responsible for the support, and we help users with just normal issues that they have on a daily basis, and we try to solve virus issues. So the scary thing today is that every endpoint is under attack. We need the best tool to help us block those attacks. We've seen an increase in attacks regarding phishing, spyware, keyloggers. SentinelOne is our first EDR tool. Before we were able to block attacks, but the ones who got through, they could make a mess. SentinelOne not only blocks attacks, but it also helps us remediate them in real time. If something has happened, there's actually just one button. You click it and it will roll it back. And to be honest, I didn't have to do that in my time here yet. The rollout was very easy. We deployed to thousands of clients in just a matter of days. If it's in Barcelona, if it's in London, if it's in USA, it doesn't matter, they all have it. The console looks good and it's cleverly designed. With the attack storyline, it's much more easy to actually understand what is going on. SentinelOne is different from other endpoint security systems because of the behavioral AI and automatic remediation. With other EDR solutions, it's that they require a lot of people to do many manual tasks. The teams and the people have to work for the tools. With SentinelOne, we get active EDR, and the tool works for us. What I think is so unique about SentinelOne is the agent. Whether it's connected or not connected, it still functions. The agent makes decisions in real time, so it's an extension of our team. SentinelOne has changed the way we do cybersecurity. It helps us with our endpoint security, so we can focus on what actually matters. Our customers keep winning awards.